My name's Aaron.
I'm Zach.
And this is Kobe. And we're the makers of Laziers. Laziers is powered by a single Arduino, 3 photoresistors, and 3 lasers. Photoresistors are inside here, each being housed by its own case. The way Laziers works is it detects whether or not if laser, which is these, is emitting a beam that's hitting the photoresistor inside here. When that laser is broken, it goes and it treats that as a trigger for an action. So, for example, this fan here could potentially be triggered on and off if someone were to go and break a laser. Similarly, we could wire an entire room's lighting to be toggled on and off by the breakage of a laser.
Okay, so this is our circuit board. We put all of our circuitry on the circuit board, but this one it did not work because it was not properly connected. So instead we put on a breadboard, and if we had more time we would make a better circuit board. This was our first box. As you can see, it's made of cardboard, so it wasn't very structurally sound. So we made a 3D printed piece. And this one used snaps to fit in these little holes here, but the snaps weren't strong enough, so they snapped off and it didn't work. And also, it needed a hole in the back, which we did on this one by drilling it in. And we created a better way for the cap to go on to cover the box. And then we came up with our final solution.
One of the main problems with conditions that inhibit movement is the inability to press a button with enough pressure to trigger it, or the lack of coordination to accurately press the button without pressing another. Laziers removes the requirement for pressure by allowing a patient to, instead of pressing a button, which requires force, to block a light, which simply requires movement to place your hand in between the LED laser and the photoresistor. To remove the requirement for coordination, all that is required, instead of having to accurately press one button amongst many, all you have to do is simply place your hand between the laser and the LED and the photoresistor.